Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to the healthier side of things and welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. Please remember to leave a little bit of like and subscribe for other awesome content coming your way. In this bowl, we have lots of goodies, okay? Now we're gonna do some ital cooking. We have some thyme, we have bell peppers, we have cabbage, we have onion. What else down there? We have scallion, we have garlic, pepper right here, so carrots, cucumber, and half of big tomato. Now guys, everybody know how to cut up vegetable. I'm gonna wash all of this, cut them up, and we're gonna come back. We're gonna cook some Jamaican stir fry cabbage or Jamaican steamed cabbage. All right, ital, vegan, vegetarian friendly. All right guys, I'm gonna quickly cut up a little for you. I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of this canola and extra virgin olive oil. You can use some butter if you want. All right guys, once that in, I'm gonna pour in my garlic, my onion, my scallion, and we're gonna fry them up, saute it. Guys, this recipe is under 5 minutes, all right? So you don't need to cook cabbage for a long time. So you want to saute up all of this nicely. Get the flavor and the scent in it, guys, Jamaican style. Yeah. We're gonna go in with all of the vegetable, right? And the pepper too, guys. See the pepper? And you want to saute this a little bit. Jamaican style. Yeah, vegan, vegetarian friendly. Steamed cabbage or fried cabbage, how you want to call it, same thing. You can put some saltfish in this, guys. You can put some sausage, you can put some pieces of chicken. You can do whatever you want, but I'm gonna stay on the vegan vegetarian side and no meat today. All right guys, no meat today. And I wash my cabbage. Yes, we're gonna pour this in. Just before I mix it up, guys, I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. You can add salt to taste. I'm gonna add about ½ teaspoon. You can add more or less, it's up to you, your choice. And we're gonna add some black pepper. I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of black pepper. And now I'm gonna add 1 Maggi stocks. You can add 2, give it the flavor. Now guys, we're gonna mix this up. And you wanna mix this for about 2 minutes, and you're gonna turn the stove off, all right? Because once you stop the heat, it's gonna still be cooking with the steam. And cabbage, spring a little bit of water, okay? And that's it. Jamaican steamed cabbage ready to serve. You don't want your cabbage to be soggy. I forgot to put my thyme in it, but I'm gonna put it anyways, and just give it a little mix. All right, should be fine. All right, you want some? Good for breakfast, for lunch, for dinner. Serve as a side dish. Yes guys, yeah. All right, now we're gonna plate up some. Yes. Woo. Woo. Yes guys, yes. You see it? Once you take it off, it's all ready. You don't want it to be too soggy. All right guys, and this is the dish. Yes, I'm gonna put a little bit of parsley flakes just for garnishing, and that's it. That's it right there guys. And that's my Jamaican steamed cabbage, or you can say fried cabbage, it's up to you. Yes guys, this is the final result. Yes, love upon me and I love upon you. Yes guys, yes. You have a wonderful day. Look at that goodness.